Daniel from EOS with another Mandelbulb 3D quick tip. So when you're setting up your animation, if you want it to loop back to the beginning at the end, there's a box right here to check called loop animation. But you don't just want to leave the same number of frames in between your keyframes and the end. So at the end, you'll see I threw 300 frames here, so it has some time to go all the way from this frame back to this first one. Also, this is what this one looks like right now. Not animated, I'm just going to open it up in preview. So I do 60 frames in between the first one, so this is about half of the first keyframe. And as always, if you liked the video, please like and subscribe and check out some of our music.